Hi, I am Abhilash basically from Kerala. For my first test, I referred to notes from the BRDS, which my friends gave me who were studying in BRDS. So, which really helped me, and I think that's the reason why I passed the first test. And so, to make sure that I get into NID, I wanted to take coaching classes myself here. The best thing about the BRDS is the exposure you get. You try I met too many people here, and even the lecturers who are very good at helping. And I work with PG students also, so I got to learn a lot from them also. And even I am good at I am now getting better at too many fields. And now that I am selected for NID, and I think all credit goes for BRDS, and thank you.